everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. This is day 2 of trading with the family on vacation. So right off the bat, my expectations are very, very low, okay? Also, it being August and the summer, my expectation is even lower. So I have trading with the family on vacation, trying to get some peace and quiet while I'm trading is also, you could get distracted pretty easily when your kids are running into your room. Trading with the family, August trading, and trading on vacation, expectations very low. But I like to stay, intertwined with the market. I don't ever like to take a second off. Now, I run a Discord chat, like most of you know. I'm also over on Twitter. There's previews that I'm posting. There's important levels. There's stocks. People, members in our Discord are asking me to go over and take a look and do technical analysis on some of the stocks that they're looking at. So I am always going to be interwoven into the stock market. I love it. I love what I do. And I love helping people out, especially if you're a new trader, even if you're not new, there's just always so much you can learn. And that's what I'm here for. But anyway, today's day 2 of trading from the beach house. And it was another green day. It was a small green day, but I still feel like I traded very well today for lower volume, momentum stocks not holding up, and having to finish and wrap up my trading pretty early on. As I'm making this video, they're ordering food that I'm going to have to go get. So, this is the way that my, trading on vacation is going to work. There's no way that my family was going to let me trade throughout the entire day. It was never going to happen, nor would I want to do that when I'm on vacation. But trading in the pre-market, I start at like 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm in the charts. I am just doing the work. I've already had like 2 cups of coffee by 6 a.m. So, I won't take off from the market probably ever. I'll always be here every single morning, no matter what. And, you're able to do it. Like I'm on vacation and I'm able to do it with 2 little kids, a wife, and, everything else going on in my life. So there's no excuses. So anyway, day 2 in the books, a green day, and let's share the screen. And today we're going to share the money maker. Not a lot of money, but I did trade very well. Now, seeing these numbers, you might say, Matt, why are you only making, X amount of money? It's such a small amount of money. Why are you doing? I trade part-time. The key is to teach consistency. This is the most scalable business that I have ever seen in my life. So if you're trading full-time, yeah, you're not going to be able to live on $27. Now, while I did make this $27 in less than an hour, that's sometimes better than what most people get paid per hour. That being said, this is scalable. Once you get the strategy down, once you get the trading down, you increase share size, and these numbers are $2,700. It's very easy to just increase your risk. So that's what is also, it does draw a lot of people to the market, but you have to be consistent. I can't stress that enough. Do not go in over your head. Watch your risk, manage your risk, and we take the profits out of the market. So let's go over it. I'm going to start with my losing trades. Now, the pre-market gappers, once again, like I said, it's August. They were weaker. It is what it is. So I started off the day, I saw KXIN, a former runner. It started to rip up, and I wanted to take advantage of some of that volume. It just trickled away into an oblivion and just went away. This is what August looks like. This is exactly what August looks like. There's very little follow through in a market that does not have the volume that momentum stocks need. So we're sitting around, I'm in the hole. As you can see, I'm down $37. Again, starting day 2 out in the red, very frustrating. And then we see, what was that stock? ZEV. And then we see ZEV pop up. Now, this was way, not easier to trade by any means. But this stock was definitely, it had way more range. Like you saw with KXIN, the range wasn't very big, 10 cents, 20 cents. You could do well with that if you don't get chopped up and have to get stopped out all the time. I like to trade stocks like this that are up from $6, made a $3 move in 20 minutes or 10 minutes. This gets a lot of people excited. And all I did was traded some of these nice bull flags. So this is a bull flag. It actually looks better on the 5-minute. And I was trading this stock a lot on the 5-minute. You don't want to ignore the 5-minute chart. Have this around. The way that I have it is right here. I'll always have the 5-minute down here at the bottom, so I can make sure that I'm not getting in a stock that is too extended on the 5-minute, like right here, and then you get the pullback, and then you get a couple of these candles to make the first 5-minute candles to make highs, which is right here. This is exactly what happened. And around 8 a.m., I know by trading so much, I know that at 8 a.m. is when the volume starts coming in. More day traders are up. You got to realize I'm on the East Coast. So when I'm trading at 7 a.m., it's 4 in the morning, on the West Coast. So I already know that volume will be a little lighter anyway, but you do see some really big moves quick if you could jump on it. Now, I didn't notice ZEV until it was around this area, actually over 9. That's when I first started to really notice it. So, unless you see this first 4 or 5 minutes, you may miss the first move, but it gets a lot of day traders' attention. So you have to keep that in mind. Don't chase the move if you don't have to, which, there's some cases for it, but I don't usually like to chase that move. So on the 5-minute, my big trade on this stock was right here. Now you can see a very clear bull flag setup. Now, the way that these flags work is you take it from the top and from the bottom, and it gives you a little bit of a flag. Now, on the 1-minute, they set up a little bit nicer looking because these are just big blocks of candles. There's a lot more price action in a smaller time frame. But I had this, it was setting up really nice. It was holding a level. Now, anytime a momentum stock comes up and does a pullback and then holds a key level here, there's a very good chance that that stock is going to go up more. You're going to end up seeing another move. At least one more move will come out of it if you don't see just a complete sell-off to the VWAP right off the bat. And actually I wasn't ready to do this on my chart section, so I have that set up. So, you know, right here, this is just setting up really nicely. It was holding the level, very key. So the trade that I ended the day on was this 5-minute candle right here. After holding up at around 920, it was holding up price. And that's where I got involved to break this previous candle. I got in at 940. The break of the candle is 945. Sometimes you could jump the gun and get in on a stock that moves pretty fast to anticipate that first 5-minute candle to make a new high. And this thing went from where I got in, it went and reached a high of 992. Now, I like to trade candles that are making a high for the day. So this was a very good breakout of this bull flag, and you know, took profits up into here. This right here was a $31 trade. And then I had a $20 trade over here, 200 shares. This was the first pullback. I was expecting more of a move, but like I said, it's August. I took what it was giving me and, you know, got out. Did I get out a little early? Yeah, but it was pulling back. You know, like I said, you know, greed doesn't always work in this type of market. So I get in, I get out. It's $52 of profit on ZEV. So I'm happy with that. Totally happy with that, especially going down about $40 to start and then being up, you know, $27 to finish the morning. That's a good day for me. Going red to green is a great feeling. So wrapping up day 2, like I said, I'm only trading for the first hour of the day, pre-market. So hopefully, you know, going into tomorrow, maybe I see some more pre-market gappers to look at, and then, you know, just unfortunately can't trade any more into the day. But I'm totally happy with that. Yesterday we went from red to green. Today we went from red to green, finishing, you know, day 2 of vacation in the green is fine. And, you know, trading well. You also have to look at, and sometimes you could actually lose money for the day and you could trade well. It happens a lot. You're not always going to, you know, make good trades and also make a profit. Sometimes it just doesn't work out. And, you know, especially in August. But anyway, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the little recap here. I will see you all back tomorrow morning with a new video. Join the Discord, it's free. I'll see you in there in the chat. Take care.